Hey guys, so today I actually have one more Dollar Tree Christmas DIY video for you guys, and these DIYs are so simple and so easy to create that you can make them last minute to decorate your house if you're expecting guests or if you're throwing a party or if you just want to add a little bit of holiday cheer to your home last minute. These are the perfect decor DIYs to create, and of course they're on a budget because I made them all with Dollar Tree products. So the first DIY I'm going to share with you guys is how to make a simple but beautiful wreath, and I'm just using one of these wire wreaths that you can get at Dollar Tree. This is actually the largest one they have. They have a bunch of different sizes, but I wanted to make a big one this year. So what I'm taking is this garland that they have at Dollar Tree every year for $1. They have actually come in different lengths now. I remember when I got it last year, they gave you more for the length, but this year it's different. They kind of, haven't given you that much. So you can also get some at Walmart, but I just had some left over for Dollar Tree, so I decided to use what I had. And so I'm just taking this and I'm wrapping it around my my wire wreath and just keep going until I can cover it completely, basically. So after it was completely covered, I could leave it as is, but I wanted to flock it a little bit more because this is some garland that I had from last year that I had already flocked already, but I wanted to add a little bit more of the snow spray that I found at Dollar Tree this year to the garland to kind of make it more flocked, because that's like the in thing right now, having that flock type of trees or the flock type of garland. And so I really wanted to try out this Dollar Tree snow spray, which as you can see works really well. And if you can't find them at Dollar Tree, I know that Walmart sells some spray for around $1, I believe, and so you can get it at Walmart for you can actually get a bigger can and it could be around $1. But that's what I'm doing. I'm just adding, this is how I flock my Christmas tree and this is how I flock my garlands. I just use the snow spray and just use the flock, and then I add a little hairspray at the end so that it kind of stays on it and sticks to it so that it's not falling all over, the things in your house. Dollar Tree this year came out with these bags of berries, and they come in large and small, and I wish I would have grabbed some more when I saw them because they went fast, but I knew I wanted to use these berries to add some berries to this wreath. You can also use the ones that come in the floral picks, but I just really wanted to use these big berries because I felt like they were perfect, because I've never seen berries this size at Dollar Tree, even with the floral picks. So I cut the stems off of them, and then I'm just going to take my hot glue gun and just glue them into the places that I want them to be. So I wanted to add some type of words to my wreath, and I chose this sign that they have at Dollar Tree right now, and actually they've had it for a while. It comes in this red, but it also comes in gold, and originally I was going to keep it red, but then the more I looked at it, I felt like it just clashed with my berries. I don't know why. Just for me, I just felt like it clashed with the berries, but you can keep it red if you like. But I decided I wanted to spray paint mine white to make it pop, and I did, and this is how it turned out. And I just love this wreath. It's actually in my entranceway, but it's so beautiful and so huge that you can use it on a window, on a door, or inside your home. I mean, you could use it in multiple places. So the next easy decor that I want to share with you, you can actually use this same decor piece and decorate with it all year round. And it's this beautiful bowl that I found in the wedding section at Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree always has like these metal type of beautiful wedding type of serving platters and stuff. And they just came out with this huge bowl, and it's kind of like a hammered type of look bowl. It's gorgeous. It's huge. I can't believe it was $1. Like, the detailing on this hammered look goes for way more in other stores. So I knew I wanted to get it because I know I can use it to decorate all year round. So the first thing I did was I put a bowl inside of it, because when you're decorating with fillers, whenever you're filling a bowl or anything like that, and you don't want to use a lot of fillers, just use something inside it to kind of add some space in there, so that way you don't have to use that many, like in this case, Christmas balls. So I just took a bunch of red Christmas balls that I had because I'm going for that red color. I really want just the red color a lot in my decor. I just wanted white, blacks, and the pops of red. So that's what I did. I just took all the little ornaments that I had, the red ornaments I had, and I just filled this bowl with the red ornaments. And so this is how the decor piece looked, and I'm so glad that I got to show you on video how this bowl looked, because as you can see in pictures, it does not pick up that beautiful silver hammer look to this bowl. Maybe I'll do kind of like a house tour of my Christmas decor so you guys can see how I decorate this in my dining room, because this really is a beautiful bowl. It just doesn't show it on pictures. For the next decor piece, I just took this truffle container that you can also find in the wedding section at Dollar Tree, and I just filled it up with the little mini ball ornaments that you can find at Dollar Tree, and I decided to go with the gold and the red because that is the colors that I have my office decorated in, and I have this actually on my shelves in my office, and I just love the way that came out. So simple, but absolutely beautiful. Another new thing that I saw this year was this beautiful little, like, I guess you can call it like a platter or a tray that they had at Dollar Tree this time during Christmas. And I also recently saw it in gold, but I thought it was so gorgeous. I definitely had to pick it up to decorate with it. So what I did was I took these little mini wreaths that I've shared with you guys that I got in my Dollar Tree haul. They come also in red. And I took these little LED light candles, which are my favorite, which are so hard to find now because I need some more of these. And I just put them on top of this little tray, and it came out to be the most cute little decor piece that I created. And I love it because you can put this in a bathroom, you know, on the top part of the toilet. You can put it in your dining room, your kitchen. I mean, there's so many places that you can put this because of the size of it and because it's like, you know, kind of skinny and slim. There's so many ways that you can, you know, decorate with this. You can put it on a shelf. And so I love how this piece came out, and definitely this platter and tray can be used for so many things like decor pieces and organization, which you will see on my channel in the upcoming new year. Dollar Tree also has these chargers. They come in red and gold and all these different finishes, and you actually saw me make this this little DIY that I'm showing right now, this little gold charger, on my fall decor videos, and I'll put that link down below if you haven't seen how I made this little like elevated charger tray. But all I did was I took a candle that I had on hand, and you could do this with the elevated tray or the you know, just the charger by itself. I just like to have mine elevated on my desk. But all I did was I put a candle in the middle of it, whatever candle you want, and then just put your favorite color Christmas balls around it. And it's really simple and easy to make. And like I said, they come in so many different colors, and you don't have to have it elevated. It could be just a charger, you know, just sitting on the table. And look at it. It looks so pretty. You light the candle. It kind of gives it that cozy feel as well that people like during Christmas time. You could put your favorite Christmas scent. You actually do this all year round. You could change out these balls and not have Christmas balls, but you can have like those ornament balls that they sell at the decor stores and also at Dollar Tree as well. So you really can take this little decor piece and keep it around all year round, but I just love how it looks for Christmas. The last decor idea I wanted to share with you guys is how you can take some apothecary jars that you have already on hand and decorate them for Christmas. Now these that I'm showing you, I actually made them with Dollar Tree products, and I'll put that video down below if you guys haven't seen it. It's really easy to make, simple. You don't need to be a DIY expert to make these apothecary jars, and they only cost me about $2 each to make, and I used the lids with the leftover candles that I had. So like I said, it's $2 each for each apothecary jar, and you guys know apothecary jars in the store cost way more than that. But all I did was I took my, you know, again, my little red ornament balls and just filled them up with the red ornament balls and, you know, just use them to decorate with. And here's how they look, you guys. And you can always switch up the colors. You don't have to go with just one plain color. You can go with, you know, 2 different colors like I did with the little truffle bowl, but I'm just going with that red look for my downstairs. Another idea that you can decorate your apothecary jars is that you could put candy in there, like especially the Christmas candy. They go great with the Christmas color season, so you can always do that. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I know this was like a quick video, something different that I've shared with you guys before, but I really wanted to just kind of share with you guys some simple decor pieces that I made for my house that I wasn't quite sure if I was going to make a video on, that you can do like last minute or any time of the year. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it gave you guys some inspiration on how to decorate your home. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of videos you guys would like to see in the upcoming new year from me, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.